Good evening, India. I am Ankita Singh, and you're watching Channel 6 Network's Evening Bulletin. It's a new day, and we are here to bring you the latest updates from across the nation and beyond. So stay tuned as we dive into the top stories this evening. A devastating accident in Dehradun has claimed the lives of 6 students. Families are left grieving while legal options are being explored to ensure justice. Authorities are investigating the cause of the crash, and questions about accountability remain at the forefront. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today addressed a rally in Raigad, emphasizing Mahayuti's vision of Maharashtra's future, with promises of infrastructural advancements and economic growth. Modi's speech resonated deeply with the state's cultural and political landscape, setting the tone for the upcoming elections. In Sri Lanka, the National People's Party (NPP) has secured a commanding lead in the 2024 parliamentary elections. Under the leadership of President Anura Kumara, the NPP is poised to significantly influence the country's political trajectory. Ahead of the Maharashtra Assembly elections, Sharad Pawar has ramped up his criticism of former party members who have joined rival camps. The battle lines are drawn as Pawar and his allies seek rally support. Delhi's air quality has worsened, reaching the severe category. In response, the government has imposed GRAP Stage 3 curbs, and primary schools have switched to online classes until further notice to protect children from the hazardous pollution levels. Former US President Donald Trump has reiterated his promise to end the Russia-Ukraine war, raising concerns among US allies. The pledge signals potential shifts in foreign aid and alliances, with many watching closely. In Haryana, BJP State Chief Mohan Lal Badoli has targeted party members who he claims worked against BJP's interests during the elections. He also predicted the Congress grip on the state is weakening due to the internal leadership struggles. In a shocking turn of events, renowned singer Sanjay Chakrabarti has been arrested on charges of child molestation. The victim's parents only became aware of the incident during her psychological treatment in Bengaluru, leading to the arrest. Supriya Sule today took aim at BJP's leadership, accusing them of fostering divisiveness. Speaking about the MVA's future plan, Sule promised transparent governance, positioning MVA as better alternative to the BJP-led government. Jio has launched a new data pack priced at ₹11, offering 10 GB of 4G data. This move is aimed at providing affordable data options for users in need of quick internet access, without the commitment of a full data plan. Thank you for watching Channel 6 Network. Get more details on channel6network.com and do follow us on social media. Good night.